Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve the unit access or permissions problem in Google Drive. So here I try and to access a file in Google Drive, and it turns out that I need access and I need permission from the owner to access this file. So what you guys can do to solve this problem is you can just request an access to the owner, and you can also add some message in here. So for example, hi, I need to open this file, can you give me an access, for example, and then you can just send it along with the request access. Just click on the blue buttons here and the request has been sent. Or you can also I'm going to just here you can also change. Here you can also switch to an account with access, so you can so now I'm signing as my own email. Here you can also change it to the email that has access to the file. So that's the option on how you can solve the unit access or permissions to a file in Google Drive. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.